welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a Valentine's Day look using my Juvia's Place Berries palette. This is a really quick and easy look. It took me all of 10 minutes without my full face, just basically my eyes. You guys have seen me do my face makeup several times. I am going on a Galentine's date with my bestie, and this is what we got. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned, keep watching, and please don't forget, stop what you're doing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and share. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick Valentine's Day look. If you can tell, I do have on makeup. I do not have on anything on my eyes, and I am headed to a Galentine's dinner with my girlfriend, and I don't have much time, so I am going to be doing a quick eye look, and I'm going to kind of freshen up my face to make me look a little more alive. I am going to be using the Juvia's Place Berries palette because it's Valentine's Day and they have a bunch of pinks and purples, and why not? So let me see. I always like to start with the transition color, so I'm actually going to use the Zulu palette, and I'm going to use this brown color right here to go in my crease.
Hey guys, let's get started. I am taking that brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I am putting that in my crease, and I'm just gonna blend it out. This is a very simple look. It's only a few shades, and it's just mostly blending. I did this fairly quickly. Okay, now I'm taking that berries palette, and I am going to use that burgundy-ish, purplish shade in my outer V. And I'm just trying to take that and blend it kind of with my crease color and drag it in to kind of give it a bit of a smoky effect. And I'm just going back and forth with a blending brush that has nothing on it, and the brush that I used for the shade. Actually, let me not say it has nothing on it. This is the same brush that I used with that brown color. I'm just using that to blend in the shade. Okay, now I'm going to take that pink color, and I am going to put it on the inside of my outer V to kind of make that a smooth transition to the last shade that I will be using. Now I'm getting a flat brush, and I'm just going to kind of take that. It's a bit of a powdery pink. And I am going to use that kind of as a base for this metallic-y color. And it looks so pretty. And so I'm just going to put that in my inner color, in my inner corners. You can really see it on my left eye. With my right eye. It'll be left the way I'm looking at it. And then I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear ducts to kind of highlight and make my eyes pop just a little bit. Now I'm just going to kind of go through and kind of freshen up my face and clean up. So I'm just taking my concealer, and I'm just touching up under my eyes because I have had this makeup on for a couple of hours, and I just need to touch up right under my eyes, especially to catch any eyeshadows or anything that fell. And so my face is looking a bit oily, so I am going to take my setting powder and I'm just going to press that in my face, especially under my eyes and all the places where I get oily. And I'm also using that to set the concealer that I just added on. So I'm going to add it to my forehead, to my chin, under my lip, so that I won't be too oily. And I didn't put a lot, I just put a little bit. Now I'm just going to take my Fenty bronzer and I am just going to touch up my contour to kind of deepen it up a little bit and mattify my face a little bit more. And then here we go again with the highlight. And I'm trying to highlight under my eyebrows as well. And my nose. And now I'm just going to kind of dust off any excess setting powder that was left on my face. And I am going to take that color on the far left and I am going to smoke out my waterline. I didn't put on any eyeliner, but I'm still going to use this to kind of smoke it out. And as you can see, I forgot what color I dipped it in, so I used the pink color, but it still worked out because I do go back in with that color. And then again with my highlight, now since I have such a bold eye, I'm definitely gonna wear a nude lip. And I have lash extensions, so I'm just taking my little lash brush and I'm brushing on my lashes. They are 3 weeks old and it's time for me to get them filled. So I have to make sure I am brushing those out daily. And then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty mascara and I am putting it on my bottom lashes. And it's just something about the bottom lashes that just kind of makes the eye pop to me. And I love it. And I did clean out my makeup room, so that's why all of my makeup is on my vanity and it's not kind of in front of me where I can grab it. So I'm going to use my KKW Beauty lip liner and the number 3 is nude 3. Does anybody else like feel very skeptical about sharpening your pencils? Like, I need to sharpen it, but for some reason I'm just so scared that I'm gonna mess it up and I don't want to do it. So I have to keep pushing the eyeliner down to the bottom so that I'm able to use it. Now I'm taking my KKW Beauty lipstick in nude 2.5 and I'm just gonna put that on. I love this combo. And I used to, in my early 20s, I used to love me a red lip. That's all I used to wear. I feel like now that I'm a little older, I gravitate more so towards nudes, especially when I'm going to dinner, because I feel like when we eat, you know, especially with red, the lipstick will get on your chin and everywhere else, and I don't want to deal with that. So I gravitate more towards nudes. And now I think I'm getting into a glossy lip because matte was my thing. So now I'm taking my Morphe setting spray and I am setting my face. And then I'm going to go get changed. This is so cute. I'm loving the pink. And here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And let me know if you like this look and if you tried it. And let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Are you having a Galentine's or are you doing something with your boo?